Welcome back to Tradition X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and I have Love with Food, which I've been looking forward to. We haven't been doing videos much, and we're doing 4 back-to-back.
That's exactly what I was going to say.
You will see. I'm reading minds here. Love with Food, I do like that you get 2 meals donated for every box that's this size. This one's $20. It's the deluxe box. You get lots of snacks, although they're not always happy. I mean, I'm not always happy.
She doesn't want coconut, if possible.
Yeah, I don't know if you can even see that. It's probably closing. I don't want everything to fall out, though. Sorry. And as I said in my other video, I have had a cold, so my voice is a little weird. The first thing we'll hear. Let me pull out this. Giving is a gift. The most special gift I've ever received was... giving back with every snack, yeah. And then you can earn free snacks. It has that on there. But it says that on there. Okay, if you wouldn't mind holding all the goodies. Okay, so first thing I see is a la panzanella. I can't speak. Gluten-free oat thins, toasted oats. This is going to be funny if I can't talk. But there's that. So that one I'm okay with. There's... I usually don't end up eating this. Tone it up, plant-based protein bar, white chocolate. Okay, macadamia. Okay, maybe I'll eat this. It sounds good, but it always sounds like a candy bar or something. But there's that.
Don't do it that way, just so they can read it.
Jessica's gluten-free vanilla maple granola. I don't ever usually eat granola like this. I'd have to I feel like I'd add milk to it and then eat it that way. And then this is Parmesan jello cheese with Parmesan cheese crisps. 1 carb, 9 grams protein. I'm good with this one. Sorry if I'm holding them too close to the camera, guys. I probably am. I'm like out of it. Roasted and salted peanuts by Cars. Gluten free, so yay. And then okay, this is I'm interested in. It's Levy's chickpea snacks. They're gluten free, kosher, dry roasted milk chocolate.
They look like Whoppers.
But that's what I mean. I'm excited to try that. So yay! I
don't know if they taste like that. But
it's different, but cool. This is ZZ Cinnamon Crisp Soft Baked Bar. I might want this just because I do like cinnamon. I mean, as long as it's not high cinnamon or anything like too hot. I got this last time. Smart Tart Strawberry Chia, right? The thing is, last time I think I got like a I don't know what flavor it was. I think I ended up giving it to my kids, but I was intending to eat it because those actually have protein in them. This is Wild White Cheddar by Bohana Popped Water Lily Seeds. Interesting. It makes me think of popcorn, but it's huge and it's not popcorn. It's just, I hope it tastes good. And then this is, I've gotten one of these in the past. It's Awake Caffeinated Chocolate Milk little bar. And so it's like, there's 2 little pieces and they have like, I think caffeine in them. I feel like there's a lot of good things. I don't know why they keep giving me that. I have not eaten this yet. Ginger chew, it's a piece, with lemon. I know some people on the website like the way these taste. I just don't really eat it.
Have you tried them or not yet?
I think I tried one time, but I was just like, so I don't know. This is Cracklin Kamut, if I'm saying that right. Brand wheat, maybe it's Kamut. Brand wheat snack.
Churro flavor.
So this one's probably good. I mean, as long as it's like a healthy snack and it can taste almost however, as long as it's not totally like nasty. Bone broth and some beverage mix.
I'll take that if she doesn't want it.
Such a goodness, nothing else. Protein rich, 50 calorie super snack. Essential hydration, no sugar crash, on the go nourishment. So that just makes me think of like a soup or something, but like a broth. But I don't know, that's just the way the card looks. That's interesting. I mean, maybe she can have it. I don't know if I can figure out what it does or whatnot. This is naturally bare baked crunchy Fuji red apple chips. I like these. This is actually what I got when I did their surveys that gives you like points to get food and stuff. That's actually one of the things I got because I used to like those. And then I've got mini graham bites. I think I got these before too, so I'll eat these. And then just 2 more things. I have Yum Earth organic gummy fruit. Have snow much fun this holiday season. Dun-dun-dun. I like fruit snacks, even though I know they're made with gelatin or tapioca or something. And something I was like really hoping for was one of these. It's a hatch green chili, if I'm saying it right. Beef biltong stick, 15 grams of protein. Hopefully it's not too spicy, but I want that. I love beef jerky and chuck beef jerky. So that was it. Now it's finally all gone. As I said, it's about $20 a month. I think it's worth it. At least you get a variety. Yeah, so I'm going to enjoy these, except for the ginger chews. Somebody else can have those. If this video was fast enough for you, as she's piling this in here, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you'll know when we're doing our giveaways. And we'll catch you in our next video. Take care. Bye.